Hello guys, welcome to my next video. Today we will be unboxing Redmi Y2. Now let's open the package. Let's take it out. You could see the box about the Redmi Y2. It has a 16 megapixel AI camera front cam. Now as soon as we open, we have the handset itself. Now first let's keep it aside. Let's look at the inbox accessories. So here it is. We get a transparent case with the Y2 inside the package and some paperwork as usual, and the power brick and the charging cable and the SIM ejector tool here. The SIM ejector tool. So these are the inbox accessories of the Redmi Y2. Now, first I got the gold color and I bought 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage. It's powered by Snapdragon 625 octacore processor, and the front cam is 16 megapixel AI powered front camera. As you can see here, it's mentioned, and a dual camera setup, the primary with the 12 megapixel and the secondary with the 5 megapixel, and it's also AI powered dual camera, and the screen aspect ratio is 18:9, and it's a 5.99-inch display. So now let's switch on the phone. Once take a look at the phone. So it's golden color. We have the fingerprint sensor here. So we have two dual camera setup and the flashlight in between. The one is 12 megapixel and the other is 5 megapixel camera. See, here is the power button and the volume up and down buttons here. And this side is the SIM tray. We'll be having the SIM tray. Yeah, once look at the SIM tray. Yeah, it's a metallic. We can insert 2 nano SIMs and micro SD, expandable up to 256 GB. Let me skip all this. Let's set the fingerprint and let's check it. Yeah, fingerprint added successfully. Yeah. The phone setup is complete. Now let's look at the settings. Yeah, about phone. Yeah, here it is. The device name is Redmi Y2 and we get Android Oreo out of the box, and the MIUI version is 9.6 as you can see mentioned here, and the Android version is mentioned over here. And the RAM, it's 4 GB. We get octa-core processor, Snapdragon 625 model, and the internal storage that I got is 64 GB. Out of that 53.72 GB is available, and the remaining is occupied by the OS, so only 53 GB is available out of 64. Other than that, the fingerprint sensor is really fast. As you can see, look here, just a tap and the device is unlocked. Once again, just a tap and the device is unlocked. Device is unlocked. Yeah, it's pretty fast and it's really looking good. It's not USB type C, and the speakers front, it's a stereo speaker, and the video quality is 1440 by 720 pixels. We don't get 1080p videos. And the camera, as you can see, the camera fast capturing. It's a great deal for 14,000 rupees. Thank you for watching this video.